It is with deep sorrow that I rise to inform this honorable House of the passing of my uncle, constituent, and one of Nigeria's most revered Christian leaders, Reverend Dr. Uma Ukpai, who slept in the Lord on the 6th of October 2025 at the age of 80. Reverend Dr. Uma Ukpai was the founder and president of the Uma Ukpai Evangelistic Association, Incorporated, headquartered in Uyo, Akwa Ibom State, for over 5 decades. He traveled across Nigeria and the world, proclaiming the gospel of Christ with power, grace, and humility. Born in Ohafia, Abia State, Reverend Dr. Ukpai devoted his life to evangelism, leadership development, and humanitarian service. Through his ministry, thousands were healed, delivered, and inspired to walk in faith and integrity. He was also a firm believer in national unity, moral reformation, and spiritual renewal. The death of Reverend Dr. Uma Ukpai is not only a personal loss to me and my family, but also a painful and monumental loss to the Christian community, the people of Abia State, and our beloved nation, Nigeria. He was a man of deep conviction whose life and message consistently reflected love, humility, and unwavering faith in God. He was also a great philanthropist. In recognition of his lifelong contributions to national spiritual growth and moral development, I hereby move that this honorable House commiserate with the family of Reverend Dr. Uma Ukpai, the Uma Ukpai Evangelistic Association, and the entire Christian community in Nigeria on this great loss. Convey its condolences to the government and people of Abia and Akwa Ibom states. Signed, Honorable Ibe Okwara Osonwa. Shall we rise for a minute silence, please? May the soul of Reverend Dr. Uma Ukpai find eternal rest in the bosom of the Lord, and may his legacy continue to inspire generations yet unborn.